to everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to find the roots for quadratic equations. So at first, as usual, we can include the comment section. And this is the program to find the roots of the quadratic equation ax plus bx plus c equal to 0. And then you can write the formula minus b. The formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we can write the formula like minus b plus square root of b squared. So b squared minus 4ac and then whole divided by 2a. So you can write like this one, whole divided by 2a. The next one possibility is r minus b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Yes. So we have written the formula like this one. Next we can implement our program. First include the header section stdio.h and then include conio.h, then void main. Yes. First, we have to consider the inputs here. You have to get the equation as first. So here, instead of getting an equations, you can enter the value of a, b, and c. Okay. So here you can type int a comma b comma c. Suppose if I am typing the equation as x squared plus 4x plus 2 means here the value of a is 1 and the value of b is 4 and the value of c is 2. So in such a way the user have to enter the input. Next we can give the CLR SCR to clear the content of your output screen. Then you can prompt the user to enter for the input. You can prompt the user to enter the input for the variables A, B, and C. So enter the values for the variables, or else just enter the values for enter the values for A, B, and C. Then you can close this one, put semicolon. Again scanf then scanf percentage d, percentage d, percentage d, a comma b comma c. Then we have to apply the formula. So first we have to declare the output variable. Here I am going to declare two output variable as R1 and then another one variable as R2 because I am going to get the two routes. Right. And here I can set R1 is equal to, we can apply the formula minus B plus the predefined function for calculating the square root of a number is SQRT. So SQRT, and then you can make use of the function power of B comma 2. Then minus 4 into A into C. So we have to close the parenthesis for this power, and then we have to close a parenthesis for this one. So close it, then divided by 2 into A. Then again close it, put semicolon. But while making use of the mathematical functions such as the square root and power, we have to include the header file #include math.h. So include math.h. Next, what we have to do, we have to type this same formula, but instead of plus, that we have to substitute minus. So here what I'm going to do it is R2 equal to minus B minus SQRT of par B comma 2 minus 4. The mean, if you wish to have it in a clear way, you may type like this one: 4 into A into C. Just close this one, and then divided by 2 into A. Since you are the beginners, for the better clarity, you may type like this one. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do, so after calculating the roots, I have to print the roots, no? So here you can type a printf. At first, we have to type the equations. So you can type the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is, so what's that equations? Ax plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here you can write like percentage dx plus percentage dy plus c. You can give the value c. Here you can type the roots of the equation are percentage D and percentage D. Here you can print the value of R1 and R2. Then get CH. Close this one. Yes, that's all. Once again I am saying in this program we are going to find the roots for your quadratic equations. At first we are going to get the input values of A, B and C, and we have declared the variables for the input as well as for the output. Then we are prompting the user to enter the values for the variables A, B and C, and then we are getting the input using the scanf statement, and in the variable R1 we are calculating the values minus B plus square root of power of B comma 2 minus 4AC whole divided by 2A. Conversely, in R2, we are calculating minus B minus square root of B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. Then we are printing the roots of the equations are percentage D and percentage D, R1 comma R2. It means we are printing the values of the two roots R1 and R2. Then we have typed the get ch. That's all. Now let's compile our program, save our program as first. To equation dot C. Compile your program. Now error message. Run your program. The values of A that I'm entering here is 1, and for the values of B here I'm typing 4, and for the C value I'm typing 2. Now see the roots of the equations. The roots of the equations are 0 and minus 3.